Hi everyone. Today we will check if you want to start learning HRSD module in ServiceNow, which and all plugin you need to install in order to practice HRSD in your personal instance. You can ask me why we need to install the plugin. For example, when we are learning ITSM module, we didn't install any plugin. Why in this case? The simple answer is out of the box, ServiceNow doesn't provide HRSD module. So we need to install from plugin. Okay, this is my ServiceNow personal instance. If I'm type it plugin here, it's a plugins. Plugins is like a Play Store or App Store of ServiceNow where we will get lot of application we can install additionally. So, while coming to HRST, I will give a basic introduction. HRST is a human resource service delivery, where basically it is a centralized catalog item between HR people and employees. Because as of now, HR are basically spends a lot of time on repetitive tasks to centralize all the work which HR will do. We will use HRSD module in service now. Like if I am an employee, I need to ask some doubt about payroll. I have other question. So using ServiceNow, we can submit a request. Then the HR people will get that request and they will respond for that. If you come here, okay, see here it's mentioned clearly. For HRST module, employees will use, the purpose is users employee service center to raise a case searches for KB for answer. For example, if employee is having some questions related to any issue, HR related or payroll or reward, any issue, they can raise a case there. How HRSD use like will help you HR professionals. They will work on HR cases that is benefits or payroll. When employee raise a request, it will come to HR professionals and they can answer it. And for other department, work on non-HR task related to case. Okay, grant access system. I can give a better example for this. For example, employee raises a request that I need a access for a building. Okay, HR get the cases and HR will provide the access. Like HR will allow. Then the HR cases will go to other department which will having that access. They can grant access. Like example that building local IT or building BMS team, they will allow access. So it will go between lot of department. And again, leadership to make strategic decision for HR, we can use the HRST. Basically, HRST is one of the important module in service now. Okay, so as coming to plugin, there are mainly four plugins. One is core for case and knowledge management. One is HR service portal. It's for employee service center for employees to raise a case. Another one is life cycle event. It's like this is a life cycle event which include multiple activity from for HR, from hiring a guy, from interview to send a offer letter, to send a joining letter, to include in a project. So there are multiple events. So that is that for that life cycle event. And for integration, we need to have another plugin. For example, integration, I can give, like if I am okay, if HR is using some other application, for example SAP or Workday, if they are raising any case, how it can integrate with service now, like that. Okay, basically make integration between ServiceNow and third-party HR system. Now we will directly go into my personal instance, and I will show you how to install the plugin. Just open the plugin. Okay, the first one is HR core com.sn HR core. Okay, if I'm come here, it's a human resource scoped app com.sn HR underscore core. This is a family plugin. You need to click on this and just click on install. It will take some time to install in your instance. Okay, you can click on the load demo data. Load demo data will give some demo data which you can see in your personal instance. When you are learning, when you are working, that demo data will help you in order to understand what is there in HR case or HR profile. Okay, so here we can see it's already getting installing, like installation in progress. It maybe takes some time. I will not waste your time again. I will just comes once it installs.
One eternity later.
Finally, the human resource scope app core plugin is installed. You will get window like this. If you want, you can view details, or you can just close the dialog. If you go any again plugin, if you check it, the second one is HR service portal, which will use by employee to raise a request, raise a case. As of now, we will only installing these two plugins, and lifecycle event and integration in future, if it's required, we will install it. As of now, we are not installing it. If it's going to HR service portal, I am going to plug in. We need to search as SNSP. This is a short form of service portal. If you see, if you see here, okay, installed. You can see your employee center. I already installed it before. I'm just updating it now for your understanding. Okay, okay, wait. I need because I need to go back because I didn't load a demo data, but we'll try it again. It's not an issue. And one important point: whenever you are installing some plugin, just click on load demo data. It will give you some perspective and some example data when you are looking into it.
One eternity later.
We can see here a successful installed the employee center portal also. Okay, I am going to view details. No need to view details. Mm, 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 mm. If you go plugin and again SNXP here to load demo data. I missed it before. You can check the like box when you are installing the employee center portal. Okay, now we successfully installed HRSD plugins to start working or to start learning ServiceNow. Okay, so we installed both plugins, core and HR service portal. If you come in your personal instance, if you search HR case, you will get a HR case management. If you go all HR case, you will get some HR cases. See, this is a use. This is why we check that load demo data. This is a demo data just. So this is HR case. HR case. Lot of information will be there. This is HR case and dashboard. So this is a will add once you will install the HRSD plugin. And as we know, ServiceNow is all about tables. In HRSD module, we will call as COE, Center of Excellence. Okay, you can call Center of COE configuration. If you just click on that, if you so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 table. See HRK benefits case, HR compensation case, HR corporate communication case, HR global mobility case, HR payroll case, HR talent management case, HR total reward case, HR workforce administration case, HR IT operation case. As of now, I think we have only 3, 4, 5 is active and another is inactive. This is like a table. Whenever employee, for example, employee raises a request, okay, I didn't got my salary. That time, when raising a case, there will be option to select COE, Center of Excellence. So the employee will select the HR and payroll case and give us information. And one more information you need to know, because whenever we are working on HRST, we need to change our application scope as HR human resource core, because we can see this record is in the human resource core application, but global is the current application. I will just change it to human human resource core. Okay, now if I coming here, if I will come here, I will, yeah, I can edit, I can one. So this is all. Okay, if you want to see the employee center portal, yes, see, the portal where user can raise a request, email account, like this is the employee center portal. So I will not take much of your time about installing the HRSD plugins. So as you seen in this video, uh, this is the main like 3 or 4 plugin you need to install to start your journey in HRSD. I think the first two is enough. One is Service Center Portal and Human Resource Core. And also there is a in ServiceNow community there is a tutorial for HRSD. ServiceNow HRSD, it's by Ravi Gaurav. Do check this out. It will give you some more information about the HRSD. I will provide this link on description of this video. So this is all from my end for today. Do like this video. If you have any query, you can comment it below. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.